Hello and welcome back to my channel. Right here you see just a quick view of my backyard that we have started working on over the past few weekends. So at this point what we're going to do is just take a quick glance at my new rock garden. So this is my what I call my wine garden, even though I think I may have had one glass of wine since I've started it. But here I'm just showing you the marigolds and different flowers that I have, which are planted in cinder blocks that I already had in my backyard. I have a huge fire pit way in the back. So this flower, I thought it was very pretty. It's an annual. You pronounce that yourself. I could not. And it says to deter deer. I don't think I will have any deer in my backyard, but it was super pretty. For the life of me, I cannot figure out why this one died and the other one did not. It's a little bit confusing to me. Let's see. And I don't know what I'm doing here. I think I'm probably still talking about the cinder blocks. Oh, I'm talking about the red and gray bricks that I have laid out. My daughter and I, my oldest daughter and I, we laid those out ourselves. We had some, but had to buy 11 more. Again, I just shopped my backyard because I have a million projects that I always want to do. And then I changed my mind, and I start again, change my mind, and start again. Here I'm showing you the rocks that I have in my garden. My husband, I wish I can remember is it a nursery? No, not a nursery and not a rock quarry, but it's a place that you can buy like mulch by the ton, or rocks or gravel, whatever you need, but that's Riverstone. And then I ended up buying 2 more bags just to fill in the blanks that you see back there in the corner. But I think it cost us about $140 for one bucket full. Once you just back up the trailer that we had to, and the guy has a big bulldozer and he just dumps it right in the trailer on the back of your pickup truck, whichever you choose. What we did here was we cut the grass down really close, laid some weed killer in that black tarp to block the weeds from growing in grass, and then we laid the rocks on top. Okay, that pot, I don't know what was in it last year. I keep planting perennials in it and they never come back. So here's my lavender, and it smells so freaking good. I really love the smell of the marigold. This flower here was pretty, and it just opens and closes when she feels like it. I think that's called a Ganzania, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sorry if that's a little bit blurred. I had to do this video on my phone because my gimbal was charging. And please forgive me for the video being a bit unsteady. So here I'm just talking about the flower, how it opens up and closes, and it's good to have bees and butterflies attracted to it so it can pollinate everything else. Those are pansies, more marigolds, and right here we are coming up to my tomato plant. That one is a, what's it called? Anyway, it's cherry tomatoes. I think million tomatoes, or cherry tomatoes. That's oregano, I believe. That's chamomile. Chamomile has pretty flowers, and from what I heard, it spreads a bit, but I cannot wait for that to bloom to make a nice tea. We already went through this, and now how that's pretty and fluffy. This next pot we are going to is another tomato. Those are Roma tomatoes, and in there I planted marigolds. I have a lot of marigolds around the garden because it's supposed to keep away or bugs like aphids and other things you may not want around your edible plants because they're gross. I think I've seen hookworms. Oh, one year I started my garden and there were hookworms on my tomato. it was frozen. I'm not touching it. Also in that tomato was some basil. Here are the pretty flowers. This right here is lemongrass. I have two lemongrasses in there. I think I want it a bit fuller, and I may add more, but I love it. It's so fragrant. This flower here, please forgive me, but that's the name of it, and I like it a lot. I have it in my old garden area, and it does come back, but it seems like it dies out rather quickly. So here's a bucket that I have, a fabric container rather, and Christian is helping me. Well, he's going to help me in a moment. Just loosen the soil a little bit. It wasn't too packed tight because I just removed the pansies that I had in there, and I just transplanted them to a smaller container and moved them to another end of the backyard. So as Christian tills away, so to speak, I'm going to add some peat moss to it, to the soil. It helps, I believe, absorb some moisture. When I am planting from seed, from what I understand, the seeds like to stay moist. I hate that word. Stay moist so they can germinate. We don't want them to dry up, but we also don't want them to be overly saturated with water where they rot or drown. So, yep, I'm just going to add some, and then we'll figure out what kind of seed I will put into that pot. Be my cameraman. This is Christian. He's gonna hold the camera while mommy goes through the seeds. Christian, can you hold it still?
Yes.
Okay. Hold it. And I want you to record what mommy is showing. So this is a sweet potato seed. A seeded sweet potato. So we're gonna put it in another basket. But I think in this, and subscribe.